I see the moonlight steal across my sheets. My love is lying fast asleep, chasing its beam. She stirs and then she turns her back to me. The clouds overhead open up for the wicked just all the same, and they love theirs so to fill every valley below to their But like the sun that turns the sky, illuminating all in time, the tables in the temple will be turned on their side. And just as it scorches up the dunes beneath the height of noon, the pillars of the empire will be burned in kind.
And by the holy rock I stand, as blessed as the sacred ram. I see the trail short as I've climbed over, but by God I'll bloody up my hands with everything I am
To cut away the mountains I've made and fill the dales below.
between the seams that line your living room. The vine of ivy's pushing her way through, and as she creeps along she sinks her roots into the cracks to pull till the structure's coming loose. And the way the shadows on the wall are cast look like a twisted apparition from the past. And all the memories comfort and fast. A wilderness you kinda miss, but what's hard, you ought to cut it back. So you it's a natural world in which we're living. If you let it alone, it will surely grow. Just leave it alone, child, and let it grow. And when all your cigarettes have crumbled down, and every stone is thrown like seeds across the ground, a new Arcadia will come around and multiply until the minds of death have been unwound. So won't you shut it down and get your feathers ruffled. You got a lot to learn if you settle down and let the river run its course. See all around, yeah, it was always holy. Leave the ruins where they fall. Leave them alone and let the wild take over. It's a natural world in which we're living. If you let it alone, it will surely grow. Just leave it alone, child, and let it go. Let be what is, let be what isn't. It's a natural world in which we're living. If you let it alone, it will surely grow. Just leave it alone, child, and let it go. Spinning that stone uphill again, like atonement for a bygone sin. Under the weight of it, my bones are cracking like a dry branch in a westward wind. But Zeus and his pantheon of kin take the first 9 out of every 10. Venus like lightning changing hands, it all returns back to his pockets in the end. 'Cause you can't take any gold or rings further than the grave. Nothing we make can we bring, but still the bait hang from the string is calling my name, and like the wind, it slips again out of my fingers. As for tuna sits idly by, I spin her wheel with all my might, crushing my kin for warring weight, knitted from the ivory of your tooth and die. Under the table where she sit hungry with my mouth full wide, fighting for crumbs that trickle down. She finishes her cake and takes a bite of mine. You can't take any gold rings further than the grave. Nothing we pray can we bring, but still a pain. Ain't from the string. Just call my name and like the wind, it slips again out of my fingers.
Stamping your heels along with the drum, praying the serpents underneath one of them, like there's some villain left to defeat. Instead of a dance with rhythm and beat, 'cause you've been too busy thinking ahead where we're all going after we're dead. So maybe consider our bodies are worth more than the dust that we can return to the ground again. We turn
as the house of Augustus rings with the echoing hymn of my fellow Passerine. They took to it like a fox to a burrow, like an eagle to an Erie. And my God, it's getting hard to even hum a single thing, 'cause you were the song that I'd always sing.